Yo, what's up? It's me again. It's the Style Pilot. And I'm back again. Guess what I'm here to talk about today? Well, no, let's not get into that. Let's talk about this first. Subscribe. Okay? Subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff. Like the video if you got something from it. You guys seen this pair of shoes a million freaking times, right? But with me, I always wanted these joints. Even when I used to see the images before they came out a few years ago, the first run of them, and I always wanted them, but I didn't want to pay when they first came out. They were extremely expensive, but now I'm just like, you know what? Hey, I found them at a good price, only probably about $100 over retail. So I said I'm gonna go ahead and get them. And here they are. Okay, I already unboxed the box. Okay, and on my first run of doing this video, and I didn't want my address on there, but anyway, check me out. 350. I got these from Flight Club. Okay, in size 14. In the size 14. Check that out. See if they can zoom. If I can zoom this in a little bit. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe not. I don't know. I hope you guys can check that out and see that. But anyway, it comes in the normal 350 box. Okay. Guys, I've been wanting these for a while. I have a bunch of pairs of 350s, and I think these are like the most comfortable ones, most versatile ones. But these are the yellow joints. I got a few pairs of the zebras. I got the black and red ones, which are now, for some reason, the red ones, man, they are extremely high on Flight Club for some reason, like thousands of dollars. And when they first came out, they were easier to get. But anyway, I got mine from Flight Club, these from Flight Club for $315. I think after tax or something, I paid like $330, which is pretty decent. They went down after the second release of them. Oh man. Hey, check me out. Even got the Flight Club little sticker thingy, hang off action, you know? Do not remove tag, it hurts. Cause you got it from the Flight Club. But yeah. Oh, it smells like victory. And Kim Kardashian on the beach. I don't like Kim though. I like Courtney. She the real fine one. But anyway, guys, this is it. I'm gonna pull out the other shoe, but I'm not. I'm gonna actually put these on my feet. Boom. You've seen it a million times. There's nothing special about these. It's come with this tag right here. As far as the yellowness, I mean, like they're neon yellow. It's got the gum sole on it. And in these, I like wearing a size 14. I could wear a 13 or maybe even a 12 and a half, but I like to flop my feet around in a lot of shoes. Honestly, I like to wear a 14 and have some wiggle room in my toes. But that's just my thing though. Alright, let me put them on my feet for y'all. Alright, so you guys, listen. Normally, when I buy resale shoes or I buy shoes on consignment, I normally go to Rift LA. But for some reason, they haven't, since these shoes have come out, they haven't had my size. They have good prices. They haven't had my size, and I was like, you know what? I ran into some money, some extra cash. I'm like, let me go ahead and get these, man, and I got them, man. I cashed out. But guys, it's pretty quick, man. I mean, there's nothing super special about them. If you can get a hold of these, get a hold of these. If you can't get these under $350, then don't buy them. Point blank period. If you on a consignment, StockX, whatever, all that stuff, I don't really mess with StockX and all that yet. But if you can't get these under $350, just don't buy them. You're wasting your time, and you're gonna waste your money. I got mine for like $330, something like that. And I figured, you know, hey, I can't get them. It's not too many consignment shops out where I live. And Flight Club is always a trusted source. They are the #1 and they are the OGs. So I went ahead and got them, but that's pretty much it, man. Hey, comment, like, subscribe, and remember, you are the flyest motherfucker on earth. I'll see y'all later, you heard?